Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. This is a curtain rod bracket inspired by Armand-Albert Rateau, the French designer in the 1930s. We love doing his work. We've done quite a lot of his work. And you can see that it's a very complex piece. Now, as you can imagine, there would be required quite a number of these in a room to support the curtains around the room, which would be take a long time and therefore be quite costly. So what we suggest in circumstances like this is that one is made specifically for the project and then cast, in this case, in bronze. You may not be surprised, I'm not a great fan of resin. It just seems to me to be worthless at the end of the project. So this is cast in bronze. Let's face it, the same master is made, the same mold. Whether you cast it in bronze or resin later is up to you. So this is a bronze thing. Bronze, I think, takes up the carving, the chiseled marks of the carving very, very well indeed. So it's nice to have your masters made out of wood, and carved and then cast in bronze. Another typical case would be in the case of 4 Corinthian capitals, which are very time consuming. So we can make one capital specifically for the job, size and everything else, and then cast in bronze.